Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to test the green tint issue and the flickering issue, whether it's happening in the OnePlus 9 on or not. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the OnePlus 9 on, and recently we are coming across this kind of problems in the latest smartphones like Mi11X and the iQOO 7. So where a few of the users they are facing this kind of green tint issue and the flickering issue. So here is the list of videos friends which are already uploaded on this topic. So just type green tint Sai Tech Guru, you will get all the videos which are done with the previous phones. And when I upload those phones, and plenty of users they ask me one question: so have you faced any kind of green tint problem with this OnePlus 9 or not? So I thought of making this kind of video friends, especially for the people who are looking to buy the OnePlus 9 at the moment. So let's get started friends. So rule number 1, always use the dark mode and the low brightness mode and the dark environment to get to identify the green tint easily. So that is the first rule, and the second rule is to open the incognito window of the Google Chrome, so which will be easily visible for the new users. So that's what I'll be trying to do, and even I'll try to use some other applications as well meanwhile testing the dark mode. So let's get started. First let's test the flickering issue, whether it's happening or not in this phone. So let me try to lower the brightness. So usually the flickering will happen when the screen brightness is really low. So right now, as you can see friends, so I'm at the 20% of the brightness level. Now I'm trying to increase 30, 40 and 50. I think at around 50 you won't be able to see any kind of flickering. Right now, as you can see friends, exactly around 50. So this flickering issue only will be visible in the camera only, not with the eyes. So right now there is not a major issue, but because you won't be seeing personally, but you will be seeing the green tint problem. So just now I did turn on the dark mode, and let me try to decrease the brightness to 10 to 20%, maybe below 10%. And now let me try to turn off the lights. So right now I did turn on the dark mode as well, as you can see. So make sure to comment below friends if you are able to identify the green tint, because for me, every time I look at the green tint, I make a video on the green tint issue, always my eyes will go into the green tint only. Sometimes it's very hard for me to identify. So make sure to comment below in case you did you see any kind of green tint happening. See, this is a Google Chrome when I'm trying to use the Google Chrome browser. Let me try to slightly decrease the brightness, and I'm trying to decrease the brightness a little bit 0. Let's see whether near the punch hole camera whether you will be able to see any kind of thing or not. So let me try to increase slightly brightness, and as you can see, I think there is no green tint issue in the OnePlus 9R device at this point, as you can see friends. But this is not the final test which I am trying to do. So there is another test which is the screen test. So in this screen test, the OnePlus, if it passes, then definitely friends there is no green tint issue. So in this application there is a grayscale test which is going on. So right now all the as you can see, there is a different colors is going on in this segment. So where it was supposed to display the grayscale, but instead of that, if there is any green tint issue, then it will display the green tint. I am seeing some kind of blue color. Is it blue tint? I am not sure, but this kind of area. So let me try to slightly increase the brightness and show you what happens when I increase the brightness. As you can see, this area friends. Let me try to go back again and open the grayscale. So this area, this top area, and next there's another method to test in this segment. So this is another grayscale test we'll be doing. So usually in the Mi and the Mi11X and the iQOO 7 device, so we'll be seeing this area completely kind of green color. That is what the green tint problem is actually. But right now I cannot see any kind of green color is going on at this point. Let me try to slightly decrease the brightness. I forgot to decrease. So this is decrease the brightness. So let me try to turn on the lights. So I'll try to show you exactly what is the color of that grayscale, so you will be able to see exactly. As you can see friends, this is the actual color, so where you will be seeing with the full brightness at this point. So this is what the colors look right now, as you can see clearly when the lights are on, as you can see. So these are the colors should be looking even when the low brightness mode as well. So try to observe the colors, and now let me try to turn off the lights and decrease the brightness. As you can see friends, this is how it looks when there is no lights and lower brightness as well. So these are the statistics. I think overall I was not able to find any kind of green tint issue in this particular phone at this point, even using the settings. So these are the settings applications. Sometimes some people they did say the settings application, sometimes it's not kind of green tint. So let me try to increase the brightness and decrease the brightness and see from different angle So maybe you might be able to see some kind of different issue going on. So make sure to comment below, friends, in case you felt any kind of difference is there. So let me check the notification as well on the top of the notification. So overall, friends, I think we don't have any kind of green tint issue in this OnePlus 9R device. So in case if you have any kind of those kind of issues, so make sure to comment below. So definitely I'll try to do some kind of testing using different applications as well. So in case which application you felt the green tint, definitely I'll try to do that kind of testing. But till now I did not find any kind of issues with this OnePlus 9R regarding the screen, regarding the flickering issue overall. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.